Question 1. The diagram on the right shows the graph of fx where a, h and k are this. Okay. They want us to determine the coordinate of maximum point and equation of axis of symmetry. Right. So let's look at this graph. The maximum point is right here. That will be the maximum point. So the coordinates here will be, the x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 4. So we can say maximum point is 2, 4. And then axis of symmetry. So this graph is symmetrical about this line. So the left and the right is the same about this line. So this will be our axis of symmetry. So whenever you have a vertical line, okay, let's say this is x and y. If we have a vertical line, the equation of this vertical line, let's say this is 3 it will be x equals to 3. If it cuts through 5, this one will be x equals to 5. If it is horizontal, this will be y equals to something. Okay, it depends on what it cuts so this one will be y equals to 5. If it cuts through maybe -3, this will become y is -3. So for horizontal lines, it's y equals to something. Vertical lines is x equals to something. So in this case, this vertical line will be x equals to 2. This will be our answer. Done. Okay, let's look. So A done. Let's look at B. Make generalization on the shape and position of the graph when the following values change. Hence, sketch the graph. Okay. So when the value of A changes to -10. Okay. Let's erase all these first. Okay. They want us to do two things. First, we have to make generalization. Second, we have to sketch the graph. Okay. So let's see the first one. They said when A changes to -10. So currently our A is -3. We are changing this to -10. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's study this on a graphing calculator. So I first draw this -3 x minus 2 square minus 4. Minus 4, right? Oh, sorry, plus 4. Plus 4. Okay. This is our graph. Let's confirm it. Max coordinate is 2, 4. Perfect. Okay. Now let's see what happens when A becomes -10. Plus 4. Okay. So this is our new graph, the green color one. So as you can see, the graph has become narrower. That means the width has become smaller compared to the original blue graph. So we can say the width of graph has reduced. And then they ask us to describe the shape and position. The position of the graph didn't really change because it still have the same max coordinate. So you can say maximum point remains same. Okay, this will be the generalization. Now let's sketch it. Okay. Our original graph was something like this. This is when A equals to -3. Our new graph was something like this. Alamak. Okay, it became thinner. So this is when A is -10. Then we can label the max coordinate. This is still 2, 4. This is x-axis, y-axis. So this would be our answer for B1. So you must clearly show that the graph width has changed and it intersects at the same maximum point. Therefore, the position is still the same lah. Just the graph width has become smaller. Okay. Let's look at B2. B1 done. Value of h changes to 5. Okay, now our A will still remain -3. H from 2 becomes 5. Okay, let's see. -3 x minus 5 square plus 4. Ooh. Now our graph has moved to the right. Initially it was here, now it has moved to the right. Okay, the original max point was 2, 4. The new max point is 5, 4. So when the h changed from 2 to 5, our max point changed from 2, 4 to 5, 4. But the width looks the same. So we can say, shape means we can say width and shape remain same, but graph moved to the right. It moved from 2 to 5, somewhere here. This will be our new max point. So let's draw this. Original graph, something like this. Our new graph moved here and became something like this. Oh, but actually it intersects down here. Yeah, should be something like this. Just gonna make it longer. Yep. So our maximum point here was 2, 4. Our new one here is 5, 4. So you can say graph moved to the right by 3 units. Also can. Okay, because initially it was at 2 and then it moved 3 units, it became 5. Done. And you can label this xy lah. That's it. This is for number 2. So when h changes from 2 to 5, the graph will move towards the right. Okay. Number 3. The value of k changes to -2. Okay. So k was initially 4. It is now becoming -2. So let's draw this. This one, x remains -2. K becomes -2. From 4, it becomes -2. Okay. So now the graph has moved down. So the max coordinate has also moved down, but the width of the graph and the shape of the graph still remains the same. Okay. So we can say shape of graph remains same. The max coordinate or the max point moved downwards. Okay, let's sketch it. So our original graph was somewhere here, and our new graph, let's draw it in blue, dotted. Oh, actually, you know what? I can duplicate this. Our new graph has moved down. Hey, style this one. Okay. So our new graph has moved down. Let's find out how much did it move. So our original coordinate was 2, 4. Our new max coordinate is 2, -2. So from 2, 4, it has now become 2, -2. So the graph actually is even lower, somewhere here. I draw the side lah, not enough space here. Okay, so it has become 2, -2. So from 4 to become 2, -2, that means it has moved down. From here to 0 is 4 units, and here to here is another 2 units. So total is 6 units. So we can say the max point moved downwards by 6 units when k changes from 4 to -2. That's it. This is how to draw your graph. Done.